Hi and welcome to this, the 10th in a series of videos which is looking at the Shibashi Qigong form, aimed to enhance our physical and mental well-being. It's a series of exercises that we can do in a confined space with no special equipment or clothes. And we're halfway through now, the sequence of 18 movements. Just a quick recap of what we've looked at so far. We've looked at raising the chi, raising the arms, opening the chest. Looked at painting the rainbow. Separating the clouds. Rolling the arms. Rowing a boat on a still lake. Raising the sun or holding up the sun. Looking back at the moon. Twisting the waist and pushing palms. And now from here we'll go into cloud hands, which for me this is the start of the show. If there was going to be one Tai Chi or Qigong movement that you were going to learn and take it with you, it would be this one, cloud hands, because it encompasses all the principles of Tai Chi. And it's a really good move, as I say. It's perfect for the balance of yin yang, helps insomnia, arthritis in the shoulders. You know, just a really relaxing movement which you can repeat as many times as you like. It's great to get into the kind of meditative zone, and it's very easy to learn. Okay, so following on from twisting the waist and pushing the hands, which we did in the last episode. So typically we might conclude pushing the left to right. So from here we just change the hands in, so that the palms facing inwards, and the right hand down, and we start to turn the body to the left. And once we've reached this point, we can change the hands and start to rotate to the right. And change. 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 And back. Okay, so as we complete the previous move, as I say, we'll turn the hand to face in, the other hand will face the ground, and we start to rotate the body to the left. So it's left hand up and we're turning to the left. Then we reach the furthest point. We don't want to stretch the back at all, just nice and gently, so kind of 45 degrees or 10 o'clock. Change the hands so that the palm of the right hand faces up and to the face. The bottom one is facing down, left hand is facing down, and we twist to the right. Okay, so the arm comes up. We twist, arm comes up, twist this way. Okay, so for the bottom half of the movement with the legs, again we're seeing this twisting and the shifting with the waist. So we'll be moving to sort of 60%, 40%. Switching again to this way, so then the left, 60% of the weight. 40% on the right. So we've got the shifting. Again, that interchange between the constant changes and the yin and yang. Substantial, more weight. Insubstantial, less weight. So we twist. So the hands are coming up, just about level with the face. Or just a little bit low, the throat perhaps, this way. The position of the cloud hands will depend on which acupuncture point you're working with. You work with the heart. This way, the throat. And in some cases, lining up with the third eye, so that the Laogong, the point in the center of the palm, is in line with your third eye as well. In this case, I usually practice it around chest height. So for the breathing of this, we'll breathe in to the left and breathing out to the right. Breathing in and breathing out. Okay, the legs, knees are still slightly bent, feet parallel as we shift the weight. So we're not just twisting. You can see plenty of examples on YouTube. Sometimes people are still, just moving their arms. That's only a fraction of the movement. We want the body to move as one, so as we scoop the air this way. Breathing in, the weight and the hips should twist using the joints of the hips, the quad, which we can talk about later on, just twisting the waist. Breathing out. Inhale. And exhale. So once you link this to the breath, there's also almost a hydraulic feeling. So breathe. Movement, but we want to, obviously the breathing's going to be a lot slower, so you can just feel it gradually as the abdomen fills, the shifting, weight, and exhale out. So we shift, breathing in and breathing out. So the eyes, just gently gaze at the hands. Just imagine the hands are just clouds passing by. And the hands are slightly rounded, fingers are separated. Breathing deeply and exhaling. So the breath will take as long as it takes you to get from one side to the next, or rather the move will take you as long as the breath takes you to get there. First, it's the intention, followed by the breath, followed by the movement. So it's the intention, the yi, followed by the breath, and the chi, followed to the hand and out. So this movement's also good for building willpower and concentration, purpose. When we move, the whole body moves, and the movement is centered by the dantian, which will be guiding the movement. This is also a Tai Chi movement, so we can almost see the Shaolin or the martial arts roots from it, from a block in motion, an outside block. Or for the karate, people like an uchi uryuki, but just nice and gentle out. This way, so breathing in and breathing out. It's a really good exercise, you can just lose yourself in. Feet grabbing the floor, keeping that root, staying sunk, sung, down, relax, sink into the movement. Shift. Turn the waist. Also good for the lower back and the kidneys, because we're getting this turning, keeping the spine straight. And then referring back to the principles that we talked about earlier, so about the breath, we want to be inhaling, inflating the abdomen. Breathing out. Try and breathe through the nose. Breathing in through the nose. And then out through the nose. The breathing shouldn't really be audible, but for the purpose of this, breathing in, breathing out. And notice that there's that break where one breath ends, then resets, and then we start to breathe in or breathe out. But we've constantly got that change in the lungs, breathing in and breathing out. Okay, so this is cloud hands or waving hands like clouds. As I say, this is the start of the show as far as I'm concerned with this particular set of movements, because it does everything. It's a Tai Chi lesson in itself. It's a Qigong lesson. Just allowing yourself to relax, keeping the spine straight. The chin tucked in. A raising feeling that everything's being suspended from the crown. So a light lifting feeling to allow you to elongate the spine. Again, keeping the chest nice and rounded, so we're not standing around like Action Man, just nice and relaxed. It's a good one to start to feel the sensation of blood flow and chi to the fingers and to the palms. Nice and relaxed. So it's one you can just practice. It's a complete exercise, as I've said, all on its own. Moving hands like clouds. And we'll see the similarities as well with the Chen style, Tai Chi form when we look at that, and the concept of silk reeling. So I hope you're enjoying these sessions. If you are finding them useful, please like, subscribe, make some comments and share. It'd be nice to have some more subscribers. It's a brand new channel, and I'm doing this, basically I was inspired to do it from this COVID situation. At the time of filming, we're all in lockdown at the moment, although it appears that might be coming to an end soon. But we'll have to wait and see. So again, it's always good, just take some time out, whether it's 15 minutes, 10 minutes, just to look after your own health. Put yourself back in touch with your body. Your body's, important. Your health is important not only to yourself but to others, and good for your well-being. Okay, so thanks for watching, and see you in the next episode. Take care of yourself and each other. All right, see you soon. Bye.